Hakajia lang le buram hakano pais ngi jongka arpoi terik rempang Hajar arpun rio yakamet basa Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon UMP ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency hamadan Nongsder syuaban ontep ubla klat hakakat khandai terik rempang Hajar arpun rio H. Gordon Robert Hospital Shillong hadien kejingwan lap konsan kejing shitam hakapor bau yelek kai football hamadan Mauyong lasaki ye kejingwan poi degi Hajar Ngut kibrio na keleng kejela. Nalor kinoilam ka Voice of the People Party, kabau Dr. Ricky Umi Khmat kum UMP bat kumju kum Secretary ka party, laydon lang ru da kinoilam snong na ka Nongsder, kinohikai na nihu, makenthop yo Professor Sumar bin Umdor, Pro Vice Chancellor, kihe na ka Sarkar jela bakenthop yo ba Sngewlem bhalang dhar sumbut menteri rangba, kinoilam kalyang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma, ki MLA lem kiwei pan. Shushu Dr. Ricky ula job dan buram yak election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency House nam Hajar arpusau dakbakur sanlak nyopue Hajar nyop pravot kata 100.0 but penlim yo sitting MP ha kate kapor uba Vincent H Pala ke Congress dakbatam lailak nyopue Hajar kendai spa shipo vote
Mejuai ba kongi kintian bahkan long ka monjome hakndo Kper-Bneng na takadaw sependam no bakaniro kadisya kaman becu khadu mo no Blei ko Blei melatung yaw Syntiew benang jongkari si jantia bi juni hakak fair Nongsder hanggai habar asram pu itna melakit no banrak Kper-Bneng juni kemudian Yesus orang terlibat ikan Kami yang sedang kami jadi hak cekal juri henry beliau suway Pak Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon kata dikena ngamna ampe jini kejung Blei keri juni untuk selesai yang nunggu jadi upaya katakan engkau yang ini Dr. Ricky menuju hati Iladon ketika dulu poli pagi latihan lakumba kat nyok pasnan. Ilah sengai kayin bat lasong asa. Bat kamtam anda haba ila sim kekam sakit ba belum mengikmat sapalan ila sa akseni.
Bat kitin rume gerong bagayne. Bat mena pulang. Ya kira ibu bang, ibu syakir jumlah. Ngangai kalau mentai bagi di Dr. Ricky Singkon, bau Blei yang kita start bertemu, ulah pendap, ya ke ulah pulang, jadian tu bagi, berulang bersama ini. Hendak jadi ular kata Blei, ya ke jadi kasih jantia, ya kan ia jual jumi, kampak pun, Blei unyai teng, unyai sei gitu. Iwan benteng ni kakam kaba Dr. Ricky Singkon lasdan bat nomor nuksan tadi bara abhatam bakumno amtan san pertai hene jadi basmet hakikam dijam jadi basmet nimbol ekun nuksa jong uni uramba urefra uklo kari namta burong Blei amen
kipai ba baik batham jong MP berang-berang jumi College Meghalaya kelawan nakaling Jakarta ban Sngewlem berisi bakado. Presently nakaling jonga ngampat dari tunjuk musim dari Dr. Ricky. Hari I'm very fortunate to meet him twice, thrice in few occasions. Ngai kendu yu kumasibanai suapun pogeng ini. Kamtam permit di kelak ngayok kekol kumaniu sitel. Point of phone away perlu melindungi masumha is a sad news. UMP baru melindungi umron su hanis lah ndo pertai. Kapan shock ya lah. Sipang nasional nak suban kerendo. Nomor beriu bukan kenduk hati power berada. Takkan mahu kemas mitibai 20 airport jauh English Delhi. Pengkawai ten masam halang dhar duty chief misal jongi. Thung ini abo ika parti syaruk nginte ka state ka jongi. Kata pendung ka pensa no dengan hanay ngampau berkat ba unik kloying nga isla ka dapat hai. Ngiti blur baro uburu bodon ka kadang. Uburu baham sin boleh uburu experience in different fields. Nado kalau kumunong hikai. Uburu age you Blei beting you Blei. Uburu mark experience different directions. Kamtam sungguh yo tak kendiat kum berubah ba hadin pula antar sa portal kaya. Handai udai unuksa. Yang ini kuno malam berubah jajai berjamur berada. Kejing yap jong api jongi undai kejing tu tangi kejing kejong. Kamtam hingga stage hi barok away hingga gomani barok away. Kamtam ni sama dengan perkam kumun balang kumur role model kamtam ni sama jongi. Langsung pu baik bahing jong doktor ki kim nak penting ni mah. Handai dengan bo kejing dua yang terakhir dalam bandar. Ai kita bor mesin berpikir net bernyasya yang dicukup. Ni barok ni dua dan bapi, pakai state barok kau itu dalam bapi. Kunjung asutu kejingdu endai tanya political party kebunuh. Balingi kum geriu untuk pasti barok kau ini dok yang crowd. Dah kini kepor ngasutu ngidon kapukan ni geriu lomba kawan ni di state. Sikuntin aku ten. We are deeply saddened by the untimely demise of our honorable MP of Parliament, Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sekon from Shillong ST constituency. His loss at the age of 54 is a great sorrow for his family, for Meghalaya and for our nations as a whole. On behalf of the state government, I offer my heartfelt condolences to his loved ones during these very difficult times. Late Dr. Syntiew, a scholar, was born on 6 January 1972 in Blei, Shillong, and studied at Sngewlem School and Blei President Schools, and later graduated from Shillong Commerce College. He went on to complete his master degree in commerce and thereafter earned his doctorate in economics from Northeastern universities. He was a highly qualified man who used his qualification not for personal self-interest, but to serve the society and, more importantly, for larger interests of uplifting the state of Meghalaya. As an academician, he guided students with passions, humility, and care and enter public life with a genuine desire to serve the people of the state. He used his educational qualifications and knowledge by contributing to different educational institutes. Dr. Syntiew transitions into public life shows his unwavering desire and passion to serve the people of the state. He was the founder, member and general secretary of the Voice of the People Party. He went on to represent the one Shillong parliamentary constituency in the Lok Sabha, and Dr. Syntiew entered public life in 2023. When he contested the assembly election from Muslim constituency as a candidate of the Voice of the People parties, and he then contested the general election in 2024 from Shillong parliamentary constituency from the VP parties, where he secured a resounding victory, thus becoming a member of the 18th Lok Sabha. In remembering Dr. Syntiew, I want to personally highlight how resolute he was in raising the issues that matter most for our states, always speaking with clarity, courage, and convictions on behalf of our people. He traveled the length and breadth of our states, meeting with farmers, women, youths, elderly, and listening to their problems and striving to watch them. As an MP, he consistently brought intellectual depth, integrity, and unshakable commitment to the rights and developments of the northeastern regions as a whole. A man uncommon faith, humility, and compassion. Dr. Syngewlem lived his principles both in public life and his private life. He did grassroots connections, shaped his lifelong advocacy for indigenous rights, good governance, social justice, and transparency. These were personal convictions he carried into every forum he stepped into. And also, Dr. Syngewlem raised some important issues in the Lok Sabha, movement that reflects not only his deep understanding of the issues facing Meghalaya, but also his unrelenting courage to speak for the people at the national level as well. Dr. Syngewlem constantly champions cause directly affecting the lives of the other citizens. He raised urgent concerns on long-pending border issues from time to time, and also he keep raising the problem raised by our beloved farmers in the state of Meghalaya in the parliament. In parliament, he did not shy away from addressing institutional and administrative challenges. He voiced powerful concerns. Dr. Syngewlem enriched the constitutional process of democratic debates by raising questions that touch a range of developmental needs. This includes the setting up of food crossings and value addition units in West Kashmir, and critical healthcare concerns such as the need for more CHC and PHC in Meghalaya. And he also raised issues related to MSME in the hill districts, recognizing the role in strengthening regional economy. His questions on AI education in school and colleges, digital connectivity in the northeastern region, and the operations of agricultural colleges in Meghalaya reflected his forward-looking visions. He also brought attention to topics like the establishment of the National Institute of Social Defense in Meghalaya, the construction of roadway, and even the iron contents in drinking water, demonstrating his attentiveness to both major policy gaps and everyday life grievances. For this, the citizens of the region will forever remember him with respect, affections, and gratitude. His legacy as a leader who constantly stood up for the state will endure for generations. My thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved families. May they find strength, comfort, and peace. May his soul rest in eternal rest.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya